Hello. So today we are going to do another website audit. Today's website is called epcgroup.net. Now anyone will think why we are picking this website, cause again, why not? So the reason behind picking this website is that I used to work or handle this website long back, around during COVID or just around the COVID time. This was one of the website which I used to handle from PPC point of view, from SEO point of view, and we used to generate very good amount of traffic, very good amount of conversion as well. And yeah, I just thought why not just look how the website is performing nowadays and what else they are doing new in the website. So design wise it looks kind of same. There are few addition, like this logo structure is changed, I believe. Even this more about EPC is quite change. Overall the design essence they have kept the same, but try to change and add more new additional values, like this white paper. They were not there initially. Even the blog section was not that prompt on the face, but now they are more on the face on the home page. Yeah, so yeah, that's all about it. Let's see how they are working right now. I don't think they have changed much in terms of the content structure and all. Yes, the if you talk about Power BI consulting, Power BI governance. Okay, let's talk about first about the business what they do. So, if you talk about, they are more into consulting part. SharePoint was here there one of the biggest strength in the initial days, but after a while they start going in the Microsoft services, Microsoft Team Consulting, Dynamic Consulting, and Power BI was one of the biggest, I feel, services they used to sell. So the owner of the company, Aaron, he is big time player in the SharePoint. Like he was one of the key member of in the initial days of SharePoint business and all. If I tell you about it, let's okay. Yeah, so he was one of the leader about the SharePoint and everything. From 1997 they are into the business, so they hold very big history about it. That's all their uh, progress and everything. Almost launched 4 5 books. Yeah, here is the information. Yeah, around 4 5 books they have written already. So yeah, Erin is one of the oldest kind of a consultant in terms of the SharePoint and all, but now the companies more have leading expertise in Power BI, Office 365, and MS Teams and other technology as well. Now let's go more detailed in terms of the services page. Okay, let's go for one by one. Let's check about the home page. Now what they are promoting on the home page. So Microsoft Consulting Services, so they have kept it generic. They are gold partners, so they have mentioned this part, and they know that EPC is getting some searches, so why not just keep EPC group as a title as well. So homepage overall, no bad thing there, almost kind of implemented in the right way. Let's go by headers. H1 H2, H1 and H2 both are same. That's not a very good thing to do, but yeah, they have implemented H1 H2 also there, H3 also there. So yeah, over the top they are done a decent job. Some many alt texts are missing. Schema is not identified, so the schema they have put wrong. I feel they have tried to implement web page schema, but I guess they have used some other graph or so. That's why they are not recognizable. Okay, they have put multiple time website schema, web page, website. Now let's go to the services page. Okay, the Power BI was one of the biggest page with maximum traffic at that time. They have not changed much in terms of the Power BI. I always used to like the structure by which they are promoting the content, because they have put so many information in the website that makes very easy for SEO person to target. Even now you can see they have created almost so many page for all the industry experts wise, and as well as the normal generic, like the services and the industry they are targeting: Power BI healthcare, Power BI desktop consulting, Power BI AI consulting, and so on, and written the complete content for it, keeping the essence of the home page always there, like the brand value is always constant across the web pages. So yeah, that's a good thing. But one thing, they have not, okay, they have kept it very generic kind of title there. They could have done a little bit more, like just strategy and solution won't, maybe AI based title and all. Yeah, possible. Yeah, so content wise they have done a decent job. The word count is, I guess, more than 2000. Yeah, almost 1000, not 1.5k. So a decent one only. Schema again the same, so there is some technical errors related to in schema and all. One more thing I used to like about this website is that, one, consistency across the multiple pages, but now I see they are lacking in terms of the some design part, even the content part. Like the last page has a different content structure and this page is again different, but they are, I mean, they are trying to do like they have fixed basics very efficiently, but they can do a little bit more. The scope of improvement is there in terms of the on page, in terms of the content part, in terms of the technical part, even the header structure and all. They can improve a little bit more. Giving too many backlinks, I mean, I never like this concept about giving too many backlinks in form of making them look like an internal linking or so. I'm not sure to hear about you. Let me know what you guys think about it. But to be honest, personally, I never like the interlinking too much kind of concept. Let's see the searches and everything what SEMrush is telling about the backend. So yeah, as I was saying, they have reached around 22k mark, but now they are reached to 1.5k, almost lost 90% of the traffic. Same goes for keywords, like almost 40k keywords to now less than 10k keywords. So the maximum page which they are getting is case study page of Parkview Medical Center. Okay, I mean the downfall is kind of big here, where, oh, I mean, if you see that a page is lost almost 100% of traffic, then you should create some strategy. I mean, you can't be just sitting idle and thinking why we have lost the traffic. You need to think about it, why we have lost the traffic. The reason can be the information is not up to date mark here. The author is mentioned down there, but where's the author tag and everything? You need to work on it, these things. Do we have implemented FAQ schema? Are we putting right kind of a, I mean, giving too many backlinks, I don't think that's a good. I guess they are giving all the backlink as a to follow backlink only. Even for the Microsoft page, we are giving a do follow backlink, which makes no sense to me. Why we are doing it? I mean, we can easily remove these tags. What's the use of them here? They are just going take you to some other pages. Totally no point of putting the tags there by Aaron O'Connor, but we are not going to link it. Again, stupid decision. Putting a date and making sure that we are saying that this is an old content and we have not reviewed it. At least I always recommend nowadays when content is playing so big role, always have two sections. One is telling when it's written, and second is about the modified or reviewed or second tag, right? And make sure to revisit the content. And at least if you are seeing that 99% of traffic is dropping and still you are not doing, then not sure. So yeah, we can see clearly that content is failing big time. Even the I was yeah the backlinks part. I mean, this is the 13th day or 12th day. I'm not sure how much videos we have done, but almost maximum website are having the same kind of issue that they don't even reconsider. Like once they have written any content piece, they think that now it will work. No, it won't work like that. They have created backlink, but now what's next? What else we are doing about it? I mean, I remember like we used to do lots of good grace posting and everything. I mean, we used to generate more and more backlink from high DS sites and everything, but I feel they have lost everything. I mean, I myself remember of creating multiple 50 plus DA domain, but now they are nowhere to be seen. So that's a, I mean, you can see refin domain is down by 8 percentage, which is a big number. Why we are not, why the, whoever the webmaster is right now, why they are not thinking about it? These should be the primary issues or primary concern which they need to address. Where are the spammy backlink? They need to see these things and they need to come up with a better plan. At least the content and backlinks are something which is always on ongoing terms. You can't be sitting on 20k traffic to 1k traffic, 1.5k traffic and thinking that we will bounce back. No, you need to create a proper strategy about it. Otherwise, how you will bounce back? I mean, I have seen the page inside. Website is performing fine. There is no issue in terms of the website UI, UX, or anything like that. From development point of view, the website is fine. From SEO point of view, website is going downhill. I mean, you can't even update your content. How poor thing is that? Either you just put all the AI generated content that you just find out the all the primary key action item like SharePoint migration, all the migration related keywords, create a page using the AI and just expecting that yeah now we'll regenerate the traffic again. No, it won't work like that. It will never work like that. You need to find a better strategy. Okay, I guess that's the basically we have covered the what's having the issues here. If we talk about the issues here again, content is good but the content is too old now. We need to rewritten it. Second, um, backlinks part, we are losing too many backlinks. We need to find a reason why we are losing the backlinks and then maybe either recover them or build new ones. Third thing, we have done the basic on page, but having said that, technical SEO plays also a big important role. Schemas, author tags, internal linking, everything is failing here, even the heading tags to many extent. So we need to look that part as well. I feel like crawling is also one of the issue here we can see somewhere. And also last point, if we have written the content, just check and review it. I guess this is what we are lacking here. If you need any more detailed audit, let me know. We can have one-to-one call or session about it. And if you are, yeah, that's pretty much. If you have any kind of question or anything like that, there is my handle in the description. Just give me a text. Thank you.